This is Allison Resendiz, Chief Content Officer with Food Service Equipment Reports at the National Restaurant Association Show. Adam, can you introduce yourself?
My name's Adam. I am a sales rep with Polar King International Walk-In Freezers and Coolers.
So we're standing in front of your new walk-in replacement doors. Can you tell me a little bit about maybe some of the key features?
Absolutely. This is our new Polar King walk-in replacement door. It is a fiberglass door with a foam core, and it has a smooth gel coat finish. This can be used for any application for walk-ins or cold storage warehouses, and it comes with our frame for easy installation by the end user or the contractor.
Can you tell me a little bit about kind of how the installation works once it arrives on site?
Yeah, absolutely. So we offer a 36-inch door, but we can also do custom doors depending on what you need. The unit's going to show up just like this with the frame already on it, and basically you remove your old door and frame, put this on your rough opening, bolt it, and then seal it with silicone.
So maybe jumping back for a minute, how do operators know it's time to replace a walk-in door?
That's a great question. So if your door isn't operating correctly, that's always a great time to upgrade. Maybe you want something that looks a little better in your kitchen. Also for safety reasons, I mean, if it's not opening and closing correctly, that could cause some issues. And if it's not sealing correctly, that can cause ice buildup and loss of energy inside your walk-in or cold storage warehouse application.
All sound like good excuses for a new door.
Absolutely.
Could you tell me a little bit about when it's going to become available and anything else operators need to know?
Yeah, absolutely. So this product line is going to launch in July of this year. Our standard door offering will be shipping in 1 to 3 days after order. And then if you want to do a custom model, that'll be 1 to 3 weeks before we ship it out.
Okay, sounds great. Adam, thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is Allison Resendiz with Food Service Equipment Reports at the National Restaurant Association Show.